Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve direct messages on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve direct messages on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. And after all these steps, then you can turn off your phone to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.